Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings. And here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's go to Screen Lock and Biometrics and tap on Fingerprints. Before you will be able to actually add the fingerprint, you need to have a screen lock. If you've got one, it will be transferred to another step. If not, you need to do it right now. So let me choose the pattern. Let me draw it, tap on it, draw it, and confirm. Of course, remember this pattern, right? So you can unblock the phone with it. Here, the lock screen and the notification content, how we'd like to show it. So it's completely up to you. This is the personalization. Okay, let's tap on continue. Here we've got the fingerprints, so just tap on continue again. Here we've got the information, basically the instructions, what we need to do. So just tap on register, and here we've got our fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, so take your time. All right, we've got it. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. So this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint, check added fingerprints. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So fingerprint unlock, basically, we can decide whether we want to use the fingerprint sensor always. Whether we want to show the icon when the screen is off, show animation, etc. So not really a lot of things to customize here. So all we have to do now is to lock the device and let's check if it is working. So there is no fingerprint sensor. Oh, here we've got it. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.